All right, let's talk about what we're going to watch on Tuesday, June 17th. First, let's start by talking about the SPY. It's the overall market basically hanging on really nicely. It feels like summer trading. It's fairly dead out there, but there's always something to watch. Let me put this up here real quick. And pause the video if you need to read that. I think most of you have already read it. So, what are we watching tomorrow? SEDG, Solar Edge. I like the breakout on Friday, or breakout attempt maybe, right? And then you got the inside day on Monday, but kind of went out near its highs. Think there's a good number of shorts in that name, so it's worth watching. UMAC, trying to break above recent highs today. Decent volume. ARQQ. Also curving up nicely. Pretty good volume for that stock today. UAVS. I like the way this is holding up after this pop back in early June. Kind of just flagging and up near recent highs. Drone play. Those have been hot. SUUN, kind of a sleeper pick because it's generally a very low volume stock, but it had a nice pop back here on volume and then another one today. Interesting over today's high tomorrow if that happens. NNE. I would like a stronger close, but still very interesting. Possible breakout. That one trades with OKLO and SMR for the most part. Call them the baby nukes. BMEA had this big pop, and it's just sideways, but it's really starting to maybe curl up, so I like the flag there. TMC went out at its highs today. Could have a follow-through day tomorrow. SRM, massive day today. Certainly worth keeping on a chart tomorrow. Fuel Cell FCEL was on bounce watch today. Did give a nice bounce and could maybe be ready to test that high from last week. Where are we? ZDGE, kind of a sleeper pick also. It did break out today, but still it's worth noting it did that on less than a million, I'm sorry, slightly over a million shares. And so it's kind of a thinner stock, but I want to watch it. SYM, very strong day, breaking above recent highs. QUBT. This was like the one quantum play that was stronger than all the others. It kind of ran on its own. It's also extended, but we do want to keep an eye on it. RCAT, kind of a sleeper pick also. It's just chopping around here. But when you go to 5-minute candles, it really did have a nice intraday run and didn't give a lot of it back. So maybe this thing's close to breaking out over this level. Couple more. LVWR, which was a really strong stock not that long ago, right? Had this crazy move. Now we've got 4 red days in a row. It actually looks like it hit the 20-day today. I like that a lot for a potential bounce tomorrow. And we'll only take that, obviously, if we get an intraday bounce play set up like we teach. And then this one is an ugly chart. But as I'm talking to you, it's trading at $1.66. So it's getting some volume in after hours. I couldn't find out why, but it doesn't mean there's not a good reason. It's just I couldn't find it. So if that's gapping in the morning, we'll add that to the gapper list. And I'll see you guys in the pre-market, and we'll add other gappers to this list as well. All right, have a great night.